Hello? Hello, who's this? Hello? Hello?
Good evening, Mrs. Young. Can I help you?
Yeah. Someone just called. Could you tell me where the call came from?
Is there a problem?
No.
It's from within the hotel.
Could you tell me from what room?
Were you expecting a call, ma'am?
No.
I'm sorry, ma'am. For purpose of security, we cannot.
Okay. It's all right. Hindi talaga ako nag-i-enjoy sa mga casino. Mas gusto ko pang bumibisita sa mga templo.
Dadaanan nga pala tayo mamaya nila Mr. Howe para mag-lunch.
Ikaw na lang, Bernie. Masama ang pakiramdam ko.
Ano ba talaga ang nangyayari?
Ay, nako. Paki-explain na lang kala Mr. Howe, okay? Hello?
Diyan, Hatsuma.
Okay naman. Ini-spoil lang aming host.
Ikaw hindi mo sinasabi sa akin may reunion pala tayo, ha? Andito si Frida. Kausap ko.
I'm sorry, I forgot. Kasi next year pa yan.
May fundraising tayo mga batchmates para doon sa mga di-successful at nagigipit.
That's good. Maganda ideya yan.
Eto.
What's up with chicken?
Oh, kailan balik mo?
Sa makalawa pa, lulubos-lubusin ko na ang pahinga.
Okay. Love you.
Love you. Para akong asong ulol. Sa wakas, nakita ko na ang matagal ko nang hinahanap. At hindi ako matatahimik hanggat hindi ko matiyak na siya na ngayon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm from room 2208. And I asked you before about your guest by the name of Michael Lim.
You are from 2208?
Yes. I think the guest I was looking for is on the 15th floor. Can you check if there's Michael Lim on the 15th floor?
You must be Lilia Yang?
Yes. Yes.
Someone left this one for you.
Where is Wat Chaitanaram Temple?
Just around the corner. Take a tuk-tuk.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay ka na ba? Makakasama ka na.
Hindi siguro ako makakasama. Masama kasi pakiramdam ko eh. Pakisabi na lang kala Mr. Howe. Next time. Okay?